Hello, beautiful people, and welcome back to Wit's World. So today I have a natural everyday makeup tutorial. This will be my first makeup tutorial. I am very excited. So if you guys would like to see how I created this look with all drugstore products, please make sure to stay tuned. Make sure it's enough. Okay, so I'm just going in and with my e.l.f. eyebrow pencil. This right here is beautiful, you guys. It has a spoolie on one end and a retractable pencil on the other. First, I like to go in and outline my brows. Just do a simple outline at the bottom, and then at the top. And as you can see, I'm going in with a very, very light hand. So this is optional. You can use that e.l.f. eyebrow kit, which is a wax and a powder to fill in your brows, which I sometimes do it, but it's definitely not like all the time thing. Mostly I will use that pencil, the e.l.f. eyebrow pencil that I showed you, to go in. So this is also optional. It's just a e.l.f. sealant. It just kind of seals everything and keeps everything in place. But I love this gel. And all these products are like definitely no more than $5 that I just showed you. So now I'm taking my Pro Concealer in Toffee and I'm going to outline or conceal my brows. For my eyeshadow, I will be using my BH Cosmetics 88 Neutral palette and my eyeshadow palette that I got from Ulta Beauty, along with my Real Technique eyeshadow brushes. This is a simple look, so I don't think I used no more than like 3 eyeshadows for this look. I just had a transitional color, a lid color, and I did a color in my outer corner of my eye just to kind of give it some extra definition and, you know, extra, just a little some extra. So the eyes won't look flat. If you ever notice, if you just went in with like 2 eyeshadow colors, the eyes look very flat and just like they're just, you know, so it's good to go in with like a deeper tone in your outer corners. Even when you do just a simple everyday natural eye or neutral eye. So as you see, I'm just taking, that's another Real Technique brush that I'm using, and I'm just going in with just a tad bit, like a dark brown, not very dark, just a shade of a darker brown, and I'm hitting it. And I do apologize because the colors do not show as pigmented as they are on camera. I'm just taking that brush that I use for my transition color, and I'm just slightly blending all that in because I don't want that to be very harsh at and that's another thing. Even when you add your colors to the outer corner, to the outside of the eye, make sure that you're not really heavy because you don't want it to come off real thick and make your eyes look heavy. Then that's going to be my highlight color, which is going to go right below my eyebrow, or right there on the eyebrow bone, or whatever, right under those eyebrows. And you're going to pop that color on those brows to lift those brows, honey, lift them. And my favorite liner, which is e.l.f. liner, it's just in black. And I usually do like a wing look, but due to this being a very simple, natural, everyday look, we're not going to wing it at all. We're just going to do a line across here, just across the lash line. Keep it simple, because I know sometimes if you do a wing liner, it can get away from you, and you know, we don't want to deal with that today, okay? So I'm going in with L'Oreal Voluminous Fiber Lash Mascara. One of my favorite mascaras, excuse me. I've been using this particular brand for like the past 3-4 years. I know, shame on me, but if it ain't broke, why fix it? So this mascara does an awesome job lifting and volumizing my lashes, so I just will continue to use that. And that's pretty much it for the eyes. As you see, it tells you 3 colors tops, and you're done. So we're going to go into the base. This is my e.l.f. Poreless Primer that I'm going to use. And if you guys have not noticed, I love me some e.l.f. products. Like, I'm just gonna I'm gonna have to do a video of like some of the favorite brands that I love and that I have in my kit. Because I actually do makeup on the side, so I have like a kit of makeup. And most of the products are drugstore, like 99.999% of the makeup is drugstore. But you're just going to spread that primer all over. And yes, I go down to my neck area. Yes, gotta be extra. Sorry, y'all. I'm sorry, I cannot be the only one that listens to music when I'm doing my makeup, doing my hair. Like, come on, get it, girl, get it. Okay. So, favorite foundation, True Color by Black Opal. That is another one of my favorite brands to use, Black Opal.